Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Social. If you've ever liked a post on Instagram but couldn't find it later, don't worry, I got you covered. Today, I'll show you exactly how to find your liked posts on Instagram in just a few taps. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Open Instagram settings. First, open your Instagram app and tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Once you're there, tap the three lines at the top right. Now, tap on your activity. This is where Instagram stores all your past interactions, including the posts you've liked. Step 2. Access liked posts. Once you're in your activity, scroll down and look for likes. This is where all your liked posts are stored. Instagram actually allows you to see up to 300 recently liked posts. You can unlike posts from here, or just revisit the content you enjoyed. Final tips and tricks. If you're looking for even older likes, Instagram doesn't save beyond 300, so you might want to bookmark important posts to keep track of them. Also, remember that this only works for posts. You can't see liked comments or reels in the same way. And that's it. Super easy, right? If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more Instagram tips. Question: do you think Instagram should let us see all our past likes, not just 300? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.